Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Snap and Catch It here, and in today's video, me and my son are out ice fishing. It's about, I don't know, maybe 10 inches of ice right now. We're in about 11 feet of water. I wasn't planning on recording, but we started to get into the crappies, and then at the end of the video, you'll see we hook into a monster, and it was exciting. Let me know what you guys think of the video down in the comments. If you want to see how to make your own bait tank, let me know in the comments and I can show you guys how to do that. But we're gonna get to fishing, boys. I've got my buddy Hunter with me. He's coloring. Got some movies set up, heaters set up, and we've been out here for a little while, but the crappie have just now started to come in. So we're gonna get to fishing and hopefully we'll get some of it on video. Let me show you what we're using for bait really quick. It's this little micro cast master with just the tiniest chunk of beaver tail. Really quick, guys, I'm just gonna show you a quick video of the action of that little jig that I'm using. Drop it on down in here. And this is all this thing is doing down there in the ice. It really does not have a lot of action most of the time. Just shaking it like this. But man, do these little spoons seem to drive the fish crazy. But let's get back to fishing. The schools keep on coming in and leaving. Hopefully we can get them to come in again. They're only here for a second. I'm gonna start talking quiet and hopefully we'll hook into one. We're fishing in about 11 feet of water. We've been out here all day, and now that it's starting to get dark, the fishing is finally starting to pick up. We've already caught about 3 crappies and 2 perch, all 10-inch and above crappies, and the 2 perch were microscopic. All right, it's about to bite. Got one. All right, you want to reel it in? Yeah. All right, come here. Okay. Come here. Alright, reel it in. Be careful. Oh, what's going on? Alright, reel it in. Good job, buddy. You want to reel another one in? Yeah. Me too. Me too. We got to hook into another one. Let Dad get this one unhooked, and we'll get back down there, and hopefully we can't catch another one. Now, when the crappies are schooling up like this, when the crappies are coming in like this, it's best to stay down there as much as possible because they like to leave really quick. They come, and if there's nothing going on, they leave. They're really searching for food right now.
Oh, hi, Dad.
Hi, buddy.
You got me. You blew me.
Right, we got to be quiet too because the fish can hear us.
Okay, let's be quiet.
Yeah, you sit back down and keep coloring, and Dad'll let you know when we hook into another one, okay?
You gotta be quiet.
Yep, hook into it. You color, and I'll let you know when we hook into another one, buddy. So what I'm doing is I'm jigging pretty aggressively, and then when the mark comes in, that's when we start jigging a little bit more soft. Alright, we're going to set this down for a second. We're going to check on our jaw jacker. We do have a jaw jacker set out. We've got a bell on it, so we should be able to hear it if it goes off. It is still not gone off. And it looks like there possibly is a mark sitting right off the bottom. They've been coming right off the bottom in about 12 feet. Here it comes. Oh, it's just a baby. Baby? Yeah, baby fish. We'll let you reel in the next big one.
I want one.
You will.
It's my turn now.
Yeah, next one we hook. This one was just too little.
Yeah. Before when you roll.
Alright, we gotta drop back down. What do you want me to do?
We got to do this. I want you to close your eyes.
Okay.
Now look.
Oh, wow.
I made the you. You want to look around?
Yeah, how about you make me another one?
Like pink.
Color me that rocket ship. Or no, the spaceman with the UFO. Color that one.
Yeah, I want you to color it. See you color it.
Once we go home, I'll color it, okay?
Oh, I don't want to go home.
Dad can't color when he's out here. He's fishing.
Fishing?
Alright, we got another one, boys.
Oh,
Yeah.
I want, it's my turn.
Ooh, another nice crappie. Ooh.
I think it's my turn now.
Yep, your turn now.
Yeah! You got one, you got this one. Okay.
Really nice crappie.
You got,
Buy 'em.
it's my turn then.
Oh.
I don't
They're right off the bottom, and then once you see the mark, you just slowly raise it about a foot above their head, and they come up and whack it.
whack it.
Yeah, they whack it.
Oh, whack it. Yeah! That was cool.
It's a big mark.
Look there.
This is a nice one. Oh, this is a really nice fish, Hunter.
What nice.
This is a really nice fish. It is peel and drag. We've only got 2 pound test on. This is going to be the fish we end our night on. If we can land it, this is a nice one.
What nice fish.
This is a really nice fish, buddy.
Spicy?
I hope so. Oh, I'm shaking. Oh, look at it. It is pull and drag. This is a bass or a monster northern. Oh, oh my gosh. Look at it peel the drag. I've got it set pretty tight. It's either 2 pound test or 3 pound test that I got on. Oh, it is nice. We can't let it get any slack.
I want excited with it.
Oh, this one, you can get the next one. This one's really big. We don't want to lose it.
I don't want to let
If we lose it, nobody gets to see it.
it. Yeah, I see you.
Oh, Dad's shaking, buddy. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Did you see that?
Yeah. I don't want to touch it.
You want to... Oh, you want to come hold the rod with Dad?
Yeah.
Oh. We've got a monster on. We really have to tire him out. Oh, oh, this is what it's all about. Oh my gosh. Oh. Hunter, reel in that rod.
I feel.
Reel in that rod, buddy.
I don't want to.
Can you reel in that rod?
I want to.
Hunter, reel in that rod, buddy. Pick that pole up. Pick this pole up. Hunter, reel. Reel that rod in. Can you reel this in? Reel it in. Reel it in. Reel it in. Reel it in. Reel in. Just reel it in.
No, you do it.
Reel it in, buddy.
I want you to do it.
Okay, never mind. Thank you for your help.
I'm sealed.
Okay.
You did it. You did it.
Oh, Hunter. Oh my God, buddy. Oh, we got a monster, boys. Oh my God, it broke off there at the last second. Oh my God. Look at that, buddy. Look at our fish. Look at that.
You got it.
That's bigger than you.
A bit.
Oh my God, look at that. Give me a high five. Awesome.
No.
Boom, Knuckles.
I fish in there.
Oh, oh.
You float in the water.
Look at that, he's shaking. He's shaking. There's nothing to be scared of. Isn't that awesome?
I need to float in the water.
Oh, I will. Oh, man, how big do you think that is?
Yes, so big.
Oh,
I want a corner now.
oh, let me reel this in. Oh, you don't have to be scared, buddy. It can't hurt you. Let me get this out of the way. Oh,
A real fish?
yeah. Oh, Dad cannot believe that. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh,
Because I could die.
let me see. This is a 20-inch rod. Oh, oh man. Oh, it's like exactly, according to this, oh no, 26 inches. It's 26 inches, but she is fat. Oh my God. Oh, Dad is freaking out, buddy. Oh, that's what we came here for, was a big fish like that. Oh, oh man. All right, I gotta get pliers. I gotta get my pliers, buddy. Oh, are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. Congratulations, Knuckles. Boom! We did it! Woo! We did it, buddy. Oh,
I'm scared.
you don't have nothing to be scared of. It can't hurt you. It's just a fish.
Oh, I want to watch Trippy.
Oh, they scared Dad a little bit, too. Oh,
I want to watch Trippy.
look at that guy. All right, we gotta get him back in the water. Look at that tiny little jig on 2-pound test. That's what we caught him on. Oh man. Oh, she's big. Is this recording? Let me, GoPro, stop recording. All right, guys, we're gonna get it released. It's fat. I'm estimating around 6-7 pounds. Oh, I mean, look at that. Look at that. Oh, she's a healthy girl. We're gonna get her released. Oh, down the hole she goes. Wow. Congratulations, buddy, we did it. Boom!
We did it.
Alrighty, we can go home now.
I told you I don't want to touch it.
Yeah, that was awesome though, wasn't it?
Let's let more fish.
No, we're gonna have to get home to Mama.
Mama?
Yeah. Oh,
I got my
that was awesome. Oh, that was awesome. Oh, wow. All right, put your cap on your marker. Put the cap on the purple one. Oh, that was awesome, wasn't it, buddy? Look at that, he's still shaking. That was so exciting. Oh, man. And we got it on video, too. That's awesome, dude.
You see the fish?
I did see the fish. Did you see the fish?
Yeah.
Wasn't that a monster?
Yeah.
Oh, that was so cool.
That was too.
Why were you scared of it?
It was tasty by me.
No, the fish can't bite you.
Why?
They're just fish. They don't really... That one, they don't bite you. Patience. That was so cool. Boom.
This?
Mwah!
Super hug? Super down hug?
I can't do it. It's too low ceiling in here for a super up and down hug.
It's so hug you did?
Yeah, but we did it, dude.
Did it?
Yeah, we did it.
Congratulations.
Yeah, we did it. Yeah, wasn't that cool?
Yeah.
We'll go get you in the car and get so you can be warm while I break down camp.